Hello, welcome to Examhood. Let's look at, today we are looking at ratio and percentage, still in primary 5. It's a topic in primary 5, ratio and percentage. So we are moving a step further to percentage today from ratio. So let's look at this question. The first one says convert half to percentage. Remember that when you hear percentage, they are talking about hundreds. So how do you convert half to percentage? Simply by multiplying 100 by what? 100% by what? Half. So you write what? 1/2 times 100. 2 into is one time. 2 into 100, how many times? 50 times. So half or 1/2 of converting it to percentage will give you what? 50%. It's very simple. Number 2, find 10% of 80. Find 10% of 80. 10% of 80, simply you write it like this, 10/100. When you hear a percentage, they are talking about 100. 10/100 times 80. This off, you just change it to times. So let's 0 cancel 0. 0, this 0 cancel 0. You're going to have, you are left with 8. You are left with 8. So 10% of 80 is what? Is 8. All right, let's solve this final question. Number 3, a test has 20 questions. A pupil scores 50%. How many questions are correct? There are 20 questions in a test, and if that pupil scores 50%, how many questions are what? Correct. So we'll find the 50% of 20. 50% of what? 20 will give you what? That's 50/100 times 20. Yeah, that's a percentage of the question that the pupil scored correctly. So we're going to solve this. 0 cancel 0. This 0 cancel what? 0. You're going to leave with 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is what? 10. So that's the number of questions that the student or the pupil scored correctly. And so that's the question. Because out of 50% of the questions, we are scored correctly. So by the time you solve it, you're going to have 10. These are the number of questions that the pupil scored correctly. Thank you. See you in our next video.